Hello friends, in this video we will show elaboration of social phobia anxiety test done in clips with connection to Java and MySQL. As we can see on your page, we'll talk our test. We observed 17 questions and each the thing of punctuation which is specified as 0 is abstain, 1 line intensity, 2 average intensity, 3 high intensity, and 4 maximum intensity. Later of the time of making calculations show us the values which are between range that are 69 or more is maximum intensity, and 52 between 52 and 68 is high intensity, between 35 and 51 is medium intensity, 19 and 34 is low intensity with the 0, and 18 is abstain. Next, we find the Google bus made in Clips as a language that as a developer expert system. We are by domain of visibility first, watch facts and watch activation, and the rules they will jump where they activate for global variable, which will the calculate of the home at the of the question. After we have template we are with parameter in the case with which contain the answer the questions. Now we find another template with net to evaluate with performing from Java. They will to class that are receive the parameter of the patent, and finally we'll have the 17 rules. You can see of which each of the contains value each for answer. You can see variable global, each of contains value. We conclude with a rule that will save us to calculate the values with each of the range, as we can see. Now we will to NetBeans platform to all things what of the project when doing the project. We find two important libraries of Clips and MySQL, now have two class, base and base service, for connection with the database. Contains while the which connect what contains with the connection with MySQL using a JBC and another class that with service contain CRUD. You can see in this class base service is contain CRUD of the table that going to indicate later. We have at the class person that contains attributes that will not be used to pass and retrieve the information to clips like an MySQL. Again, we have a main class will contain everything that is our questions for that connection for with clips for later evaluation. You see first load or wall base on which our window will proceed to evaluate each our option and sequentially draw a value which has calculated by clips return as we have a result which contains the answer of the questions, and in the line the string f, we can see that is the line that second that date to the template, so that is responsibility of evaluating, and we can see to calculate in the commands to compare that result with the rule, and so when the result is recover person are we send to insert in database. We also to resolve view that no more data table that show us the result in performing. Going to what is a demonstrate playing. You can see will the user data windows with allow used to set the person to pass to clips class. In this case, on A17, for example, go test. The shows used to test to doing further answer the question, and we give click and perform task doing to don't show the results in the table is pulling from database, as we can see table in MySQL, for example. Evaluate test. You can see our table in MySQL. In this case, Christian 70 is medium intensity. You can see MySQL. In this case, MySQL Workbench. You can see for tape. You can see database Ansiedad, and table date. You can see observate the element insert to database. Compare it which program. You can see the equals. Now the program we have some considerate and another more that explains or watch the test reels. You can see indications, and other interpretations, the result total value for compare it with ifs in the program, and that will be our elaborate program, and that you thank very much. See you soon.